In this video, I'll show you how to set up JumpTask on Honeygain and start earning money in 2025. Plus, if you sign up using the special link in the description, you'll get a free $3 bonus instantly. So, let's get started. Click the sign up link in the description to create a Honeygain account and claim your $3 welcome bonus. You can sign up using Google or enter your email and password, then click Continue with Email. I'll sign up with Google, and now we're on the Honeygain dashboard. To switch to JumpTask, look for the toggle switch that allows you to enable JumpTask mode. Click on it, and a pop-up will appear asking you to add a JumpTask account. You'll see 3 steps. Create an account on JumpTask, copy your JumpTask ID, paste the JumpTask ID in the input field. Now, I'll click on step 1, which will redirect me to the JumpTask website. Since I don't have an account, I'll sign up with Google. After signing up, I'll see a page with my JumpTask account ID. I'll copy this ID, go back to Honeygain, and paste it into the input field that asks for the JumpTask account ID. Then, I'll click Add Account. A 6-digit verification code will be sent to my email. I'll enter the code, click Verify. I'll click Let's JumpTask. And that's it. And now JumpTask mode is enabled. Our account is now successfully switched to JumpTask. To confirm that JumpTask is linked, go to Profile Settings, then scroll down to Wallet, and you'll see JumpTask added. Now we need to connect a wallet to withdraw our earnings. I'll go to the JumpTask website again, and click on my profile icon in the top right corner. Scroll down to find My Wallet and click on it. Now it asks me to connect a wallet, so I'll click Connect Wallet. You'll see multiple options like MetaMask, Trust Wallet, and Binance Wallet. I'll use MetaMask, so let's set it up. Open a new tab and search for MetaMask extension. Click on the official website, metamask.io, and install it for your browser. Once installed, open MetaMask, click Get Started, and agree to the terms and conditions. Then, click Create a new wallet. Now, it will ask you to set a password and click Create Wallet. Next, you'll see a secret recovery phrase. Make sure to save it securely. After writing it down, enter it again to confirm, and now your MetaMask wallet is successfully created. Now I'll go back to the JumpTask website, refresh the page, and click Add Wallet again. This time, MetaMask is detected, so I'll select MetaMask and click Connect. Once I approve the connection, my wallet is now linked to my JumpTask account. Now, your earnings will be instantly withdrawn to your MetaMask wallet in Jump token, Jump, instead of waiting for the usual payout threshold. Now that you're set up, let's talk about how to actually make money. The primary way to earn with Honeygain is by sharing your unused internet bandwidth. This happens automatically in the background, and you get paid for every gigabyte of data shared. The more devices and IP addresses you connect, the more you earn. By using JumpTask mode, you earn 10% more compared to normal payouts. Plus, there are no payout limits. You can withdraw your earnings instantly instead of waiting to reach $20 like in traditional Honeygain mode. JumpTask also offers paid tasks inside your dashboard. These include completing surveys, watching ads, testing new apps, and performing micro tasks. The more tasks you complete, the higher your earnings. Honeygain's referral program is another huge way to earn. When someone signs up using your referral link, you get 10% of their lifetime earnings without reducing their income. Imagine if you refer 50 people, and each person earns $50 a month. That means you'd make an extra $250 per month just from referrals, without doing anything. Since JumpTask pays in Jump tokens, Jump, you can hold or stake your tokens to earn even more over time. If the value of Jump token increases, your earnings could be worth even more in the future. And that's how you can start making money with Honeygain and JumpTask in 2025. It's a simple and passive way to earn, and by using the special link in the description, you'll get a free $3 bonus when you sign up. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment letting me know how much you've earned with Honeygain so far. See you in the next one.